8 unrealistic motorcycle safety myths that you should ignore. It's thrilling to cruise on your motorcycle. It can also be extremely harmful. The reason for this is that the vehicle's stability, visibility, and protection are all under question. If you ride a two-wheeler, you must be quite concerned about safety precautions. It isn't about the dangers of riding a motorcycle. No, you must learn the right techniques and be confident in your pace. In civilization, myths emerge. This isn't the case at all. We are often so entangled in these misconceptions that we begin to believe in illogical beliefs that lead to increased risk in life. We become aware of unrealistic things and live by them as a result of the myths weighing heavily on our thoughts. On that topic, we thought we'd offer a fresh perspective on your age-old cognitive process. We are not opposed to it, but we would like to shed some light on the motorcycle safety misconceptions that have lingered in our thoughts for far too long. Crash facts of a motorcycle. On that topic, we thought we'd offer a fresh perspective on your age-old cognitive process. We are not opposed to it, but we would like to shed some light on the motorcycle safety misconceptions that have lingered in our thoughts for far too long. This translates to 80% of the reports indicating that motorcyclists have been killed. Debunking the myths of motorcycle. Myth 1. Skilled drivers can handle anything. This is true, but there are safety precautions that must be taken. The majority of the time, the rider is not wearing safety jackets, hand gloves, or ISI-marked helmets because he or she has disobeyed traffic rules, taking total responsibility for our lives. It is best not to ride a bike on highways unless we obey the safety laws and have trust in our riding technique. What does it mean to be a skilled driver? It must be obvious from the start. A newer rider who has been riding for a long time is just as likely to be involved in a crash. It's depressing to believe that no matter how many years of riding experience you have or how well you handle any circumstance, you can't go wrong. The majority of people die as a result of their overconfidence. This misconception has also blinded many expert drivers, resulting in a rise in the number of accidents. Myth 2. If you have 0.08 below alcohol consumption level, then you can ride a motorcycle. This is one of the most revolting urban legends. Controlling a motorcycle while riding it is even more difficult than controlling a car. It necessitates balancing, good road judgment, and synchronization. Any amount of alcohol, no matter how small, has an effect on your talents. This is fatal and results in a large number of deaths. Do not put your faith in it. It is not a good idea to drink and drive. Myth 3. Helmets are useless. It hinders sightseeing and hearing. A decent motorcycle helmet is comfortable and secure on the head. It is a typical difficulty for people to be unable to hear or see correctly. This occurs as a result of your failure to purchase the proper helmet. All of these should be considered while purchasing a genuine protective helmet. The purpose of wearing a helmet is to limit excessive wind, stop engine noise, and protect your hearing while driving. It is needed that you have at least 105 degrees of peripheral vision on both sides of it. Wearing a helmet will protect your eyes and hearing. Myth 4. Every driver is very clear about their vision. Each cyclist will climb on and assume that they are safe. Unlike driving a car, riding a motorcycle necessitates maintaining visibility and balance. Believing that a motorcycle or vehicle driver can see everything does not give you the right to be irresponsible on your own. While crossing the street and even while riding, stay active and sound. As a result, if you're a rider, having defensive driving skills is critical. Myth 5. Slow streets are safer. There is a widespread belief that quiet streets are safer than motorways. Imagine if everyone thinks this and speeds up, and that if something happens, you won't be able to handle the situation or maintain your bike's balance. Riders must also fight with traffic lights, cross traffic, and pedestrians on regular streets. If you crash, your speed is important. The risk of crashing is marginally reduced at higher speeds. Myth 6. Helmets can break my neck and leave me brain damage. Helmets that protect the ear and eyes are required for motorcycle riders. Any misconception about helmets is untrue. It aids in the immediate saving of your life. According to a study, motorcyclists who wear a helmet are 73% less likely to die in a motorcycle accident, whereas riders who wear a low-quality helmet or no helmet at all are responsible for 85% of serious injuries. Myth 7. Wearing leather will make you only look cool. Leather is frequently associated with biker culture. It is particularly abrasion-resistant. It's designed to keep you safe on the road while also having an impact on your body. It serves as a barrier against the cold wind. This will keep you comfy and allow you to ride for longer periods of time. Myth 8. Biggest myth. Nothing will happen to me. It doesn't matter how many years you've been riding, you don't have the right to be reckless on the road. There's no guarantee you won't get into any difficulty or have a severe accident on the road. Be ready and be safe. On the road, try to be as cautious and safe as possible. To avoid any catastrophes, it is critical to have good coordination and sound on the road. To summarize, our goal is not to scare you away from riding, but rather to make you aware of what is out there. Make judgments with caution and patience. Purchase a second-hand two-wheeler of your choice and enjoy safe riding. Always ride safe. God bless. Peace.